Today I'll be demonstrating how to remove a compact flash card from a RheoVac system. The card is used to archive data and store key parameters such as CalDo info. The main reason for returning it would be when you're calibrating probes, we want to be able to collect the data that's stored on the drive. So what we'll do first, on the front panel keypad, we'll press the Enter key. We'll scroll down to shut down system. Press Enter again. Select shutdown by hitting Enter one more time. And we want to wait about 20 seconds for the system to shut down. And this display will lock up here on confirm shutdown. Next thing we'll do is remove the 6 clamps. Open the lid. And to shut power off to your system, you just close the switch. We'll remove the compact flash card that's stored here out of the CPU. You just pull straight down and out, and the card can then be removed. When you receive the card back, you would install it the same way. It is keyed so that it only goes in one direction. And then you turn power back on, close the lid, tighten everything back up, and you're ready to go. Thank you.